Recent news stories indicate that manufacturing quality continues to be a significant business issue. Typically, failures to achieve the expected quality level show up as cost or throughput issues in the manufacturing plant. In a worst case scenario, the poor quality product escapes the plant and becomes a customer concern or a warranty recall. Even the most sophisticated organizations have these issues. At High Value Manufacturing, we have a well-proven system and process to identify and eliminate these issues. We call it retroactive PPAP. PPAP, or Production Part Approval Process, is the final step prior to start of production of a newly designed and manufactured component, part, or assembly. Frequently, after start of production, failures in the launch process, a poor product design, a manufacturing process change, or undetected manufacturing process failures cause product quality to not meet the expectations. To ensure the maximum opportunity to effectively launch a new product, most successful manufacturing firms utilize an APQP process, commonly known as Advanced Product Quality Planning process. PPAP merely verifies that the manufacturing process will always produce the product as designed at the expected quality level. Our research confirms that approximately 40% of these failures are caused by components supplied from your tiered suppliers. The retroactive, or as sometimes called post-SOP PPAP verification process, has two primary aspects. We develop and implement a specific plan, including resources and timing, to retroactively PPAP all designated existing products manufactured at the subject plant. Secondarily, we train and develop the existing manufacturing engineering resources to be self-sustaining by the completion of the engagement. The process is well documented and has been utilized numerous times by people in our organization. It fits well into our overall performance improvement model for quality, which you have seen previously in other videos. The specific core business quality assessment tool, which we have automated, is part of our post-PPAP quality assurance program. Please reach out to us so we can talk in more detail.